I'm Derek Wolf, and these are the 10 things not to do when cooking over fire. Not prepping beforehand, making sure that you have everything together before you get out to the cook site. Don't pack in a rush. Make sure you give yourself plenty of time to get all your stuff together. Don't plan on harvesting your wood at the site. Make sure to source it locally. Don't leave that fire unattended. Make sure you have a buddy to grab your Buffalo Trace. Don't be impatient when building your fire. Make sure you build it slowly, correctly, and get a good base of coals. Don't forget, you're cooking with fire. Bring some gloves. Not extinguishing your fire properly, because we want to leave no trace. Neglecting food safety. Make sure you store your food properly. Don't cook over direct flame. It prevents flare-ups and gives good resident heat. Don't be impatient with your cook surface. Make sure you're preheating your grill and skillet. Last but not least, don't forget the Buffalo Trace, for obvious reasons.